Hello, Kai. I'm Roger here, Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. Thank you very much, Kai, for giving me an order on this brand new Tenorite Gray Metallic 4x4 Sprinter van. Beautiful van. I know that you were talking to me a couple of days ago about the painted bumpers. You can see how beautiful the painted bumpers look on here. It just really makes the van look really nice. LED headlights. So if you're traveling at nighttime or even in the wintertime, these lights are nice and bright. You can see really good with them. Also, we got the fog lights and we got the safety sensors here in the bumper. And then I'm gonna point this out too. It's got the nice chrome grille. And then also you have a front view camera located right here, just underneath the Mercedes-Benz star. So Kai, the painted bumpers just look beautiful on these, on the Sprinter van. We'll come around here to the side. It's got the nice Mercedes-Benz aluminum wheels. And also, you've got the mid-latch too right here for your sliding door. So you don't need to open the sliding door all the way up when you're getting in and out of the van. You can also open it all the way up. The latch is in place. You'll have 10 feet 4 inches of floor space to use. It's got the anti-slip coating on the wood floor. 358 cubic square feet to utilize. Very nice Sprinter van. We're going to come around to the back. I'm going to point out a few things back here for you. So it's got the trailer hitch. So if you did want to tow a trailer behind this car, you definitely can do that. You can tow up to 5,000 pounds. Nice backup camera up here just above the third brake light. And I'm going to display some items for you when we get in the cab of the van as well. And then the van has the 270-degree doors. They do latch in place right here at 90 degrees. And they also open up 270 degrees and latch in place. The way the hinges are designed, they're designed to hold the door in place when it's all the way open. So if you're parked on the hill or the wind's blowing, the doors aren't going to just slam on you. And as you can see, just a lot of room in here to work with. For you to build this out into a camper van. Now we're going to go jump in the cab of the van and I'm going to go over some features and benefits in there for you, Kai. All right, Kai, so we're sitting here in the cab of your new Sprinter van. Lots of really nice equipment in here. I'm going to start out right up here in the dash area. So this is where your wireless charging tray is located. You can set your cell phone right in there for it to charge. Also, this plug-in right here will allow you to do your Apple CarPlay, so you can get your apps up on this nice 10.25 inch screen. You have 2 USB ports located up in there as well. And then also, you've got some storage compartments. You got one here and one on the passenger side. And then we'll come down to our MBUX system. So this is the 10.25 inch screen, very defined. And right here we compare your cell phones, so you can do your hands-free to talk. And you can answer your phone and hang it up on the steering wheel just simply with your thumb. And then we got a really nice navigation system. And we can shrink the screen. We can blow it up just like if on your cell phone. And then we got your radio. You can also stream your music too if you have music downloaded on your phone. You have SiriusXM satellite radio, AM and FM. And there's a multimedia center. You can connect other devices. And then here's an info center. This is really pretty cool. You can get an accurate miles per gallon fuel economy reading. So there's not very many miles on it, so that reading is not 100% accurate just yet. And then there's an app store that you can utilize once everything is connected. And then we have vehicle settings. So on the vehicle settings part, Kai, I'll go over all of those features with you when you come up to the dealership when you take delivery of the Sprinter van. And then also on your steering wheel, there's a little mouse control right here too to control the MBUX system as well. And your volume for your radio is right here. And then on the left side, this is where your cruise control is. There's a mouse pad here too to control items in your instrument panel. And also your heated seat switches are on the side. Your electric seat switches are here. Heated electric mirrors, your switches are up here on the door. And I'm gonna step out for just a second. I want to display the swivel seats for you. And I can do that easier if I'm standing outside the vehicle. So down here, there's a lever right here. You want to make sure the seat is far enough ahead so it will pass this B-pillar right here. And the lever's underneath, and you just simply spin it towards the inside of the vehicle, and there's your swivel seat. And then you got this beautiful leatherette seating in here as well. Also, you have a really nice leg extender right here too for the back of your legs. So Kai, I hope you've enjoyed my video. And if you have any questions, just give me a call. My name's Roger. You can reach me at 207-838-0169. Thank you so much.